Okay guys, and welcome in. Today is going to be, I hope, fun and something I'm going to call Air Fryer Experiment Day, because I'm going to try things. I've never cooked more than my wings and my chicken thighs, which crisp up beautifully, and my salmon fillets. So I've done and mastered 3 things. Now we're going to play, because I love it. You know that. And I don't know every recipe. I mean, you know, I'm not a chef here, but I'm a wannabe passionate cook. Okay, this is not bad. This is 150 calories. This was a bread. I took it out to show you. I want you to see exactly what I'm using. This was only $2. This is Stop and Shop bread. Now look at the size of this. Well, if you didn't know already, we're going to make air fryer French bread pizza. Okay, and I think this is the beautiful size for it, right? I'm going to cut it. So I took it out to show you. Let me get the knife. Now, I'm going to make up things as I go. I have my own pizza sauce. I have good pepperoni that I want to use. I have shredded mozzarella and the Parmesan I trekked all the way from Florida. You know we're using it because I brought it, and I'm keeping it. Okay. Now, that's not level. Let me see. I'm going to cut this. Let me get a knife. Could you give me the serrated knife there? I think I should toast it, Vin, first, the blue handle. I'm going to toast it in the dry pan. That's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to toast it in the dry pan because my experience has told me that I want to get a crisp on here. And I don't think that's going to happen just in the air fryer. And I don't want it soggy, you know. Now let me cut it again. Nice looking piece of bread. Now, you want the bottom, Vinny, or the top? The bottom's going to be...
Bottom, I guess.
You want the bottom? All right.
What do you think?
I think the bottom will be crispier. Sure, look at that. I'll take a little bit off. Now
yeah,
we're going to...
take some of that off.
Let me
Too
make
much.
sure it fits the air fryer. And then we'll freeze the other pieces if it's good and we want to do it again.
Doughy. There's plenty of dough in there.
All right.
You know I don't want
Now
it.
he's already in the...
Come on.
It's already in the recipe.
Ah,
Jesus, I can't. I
Unbelievable.
shouldn't have invited you.
never did
You
it.
got to have something to hold the
never
mozzarella
do.
and sauce. Okay.
Yeah, there's plenty there.
All right, it's too big so far still, so I'm going to take a
See?
little bit
See?
more. Not in depth, you boob.
Ooh, I heard that.
No, in here. Now, I'm not wasting anything, guys. You see this piece I cut off? I will show you. This will get dried out for breadcrumbs. Anything I don't use, because that's how I am. See, now I'll cut the other end off this. I'll make all the rest of this bread. Let me put it aside in the bag. Let's get back in the bag bread. Okay, 1 second. Bear with me, guys. You know I'm the crazy cook here. Okay, that's back in its house. That's back in its house. I got my towel here, my glasses in case I need to focus. That will go for breadcrumbs. I will dry them out. Next thing we'll be making, watch. You'll see. I use everything. I have a pan heating over there that you cannot see. My stainless steel. So I'm going to take this face down. I think it's smart to dry it out a bit so we don't wind up with a soggy pizza. Nobody likes a soggy pizza. I don't put no butter in there. There's no oil. There's nothing. I basically just want to toast it. And I don't know if I'm doing that right because it's already browning and sticking. All right, let's get rid of all this. We don't need this. This is messy. We finished with the knife. Okay, remove that. We have to open the pepperoni and the sauce, the pizza sauce. Woo! Go, girl. That looks good. That smells good. I need a spoon to brush that on. Mill is sniffing around and hunting. Let's open our cheese. Everything's new. Lucky me. Okay. I think we're prepared now. I hope I'm not burning the bread. I think it's gonna make a difference. Yeah, okay. A little bit toasted. See? Okay. A little bit toasted. You do you. It smells fabulous. Okay. I think it'll help it. Now, I don't know timing, guys. I do know that I shouldn't put too much sauce and make it excessive. So let's do that first and foremost. Let's not excess the sauce because that's what mainly makes a soggy pizza, too much sauce. and toppings. But you know what? I gotta have the toppings. Vinny's a good sport. He's pretty much my taste tester. He's a good guy, my hubby. He's a good dude. All right, I think that's enough sauce. Let's cut up some. All we need is that. Where's my olives? Here's my olives. Black olives gonna go on top because my granddaughter's turned us on to this. I think Vinny tasted it too. And it's really good on pizza. I don't know, it's really good. Black olives on pizza. Okay, what am I missing? What should I put next? I think the cheese next, right? The toppings go above the cheese. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna put it in. I should warm it up now at 400. Bake 400. Let's do. Oh, these are minutes. Let's go down and do. Let's warm it up for 3 minutes. Let's warm it up at 400 for 3 minutes. That could only help us. Bear with me. Bear with me. This may wind up being the best summer pizza recipe we get. Who wants to turn on that oven? Not me. And I was doing the tortilla pizzas in there. I'm going to do them in here. Oh, should I have said that? Everybody going to make that now? Okay, that's enough cheese. Now I'm going to do a little bit of pepperoni. Boar's head. It's not cheap. I remember when this was really reasonable. Now that little block, $7. Trust me, kills me too. I'm tired, not rich. Let's cut this up the right way. Even though it's a simple recipe, you want to make it as best you can. That's my philosophy. The less ingredients, buy the better ingredients. That's how I feel as well. You want it to taste good. We're trying to basically recreate Stouffer's French bread pizza here. So we'll see if we're successful. And for $2, that bread would yield, in what I bought, 4 pizzas. Come on, that's not bad at all. All right, now we have some left here. I'm not going to eat it because, well, it'll taste a little bit. I'm not in the mood for anything spicy right now. Millie can't have it, baby. You can't have this. Now let's get our olives. And then we're going to go real Stouffer style, real frozen pizza with our inexpensive long shelf life Parmesan and Romano mix, which should be good. Should be delicious on here. I got a feeling Vinny's gonna like it. I do. I got a feeling Vinny's gonna like this. Babe, you got water?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's keep our ingredients aside. I think this is success in the making. Oh my God. Alrighty, I think, what's the time? Okay. Now we warmed it up for 3 minutes. It should be good to go for us. I'm saying start off at, what do you say, 400 at 6 minutes? What's the worst that can happen? We burn it? All right. Let's try 6 minutes. Oh, wait. We've got the most important part. The cheap cheese. Okay. Should I put a little? I could always put oregano after. Okay. It's already at 400. Let me make sure. No. Okay, 400 time 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, wish me luck. I'll pause for you guys for a minute or two. Okay, guys, I peaked at 4 minutes. I said it for 6. I peaked at 4. I call it done. See that? Perfection. Woo! And it crisped up, the bread tightened. I think that's my bread. That's the bread for me, babe. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is the best. I need my big knife. Where the heck is my big knife? I am so excited. This is wonderful. This is... Okay, Stofers, you got nothing on me. Da, da, da. Do the air fryer dance. Do the air fryer dance. I am so excited. Let me put this here in case I decide to have one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lovely. Isn't she lovely? Let's cut her. Oh, wait. You hear the crisp? Oh, did you hear that? Oh, baby. I cannot forget this bread. I have to screenshot it because my mouth's watering. I don't know about you. It's crispy on the bottom, nice and crunchy. You heard the crisp when I cut it. I can't bite it because it's my man's. Okay. Stofers, get out of my way. Janine's in town making French bread, pizza in the air fryer. And yes, I'm being super silly because I'm so excited. I love my air fryer. I need to call Drew Barrymore just to tell her thank you. Just to say, girl, thank you. You saw it. I'll write everything I use. I almost lost this pizza. There goes my excitement. I'll write everything I use in the description for you guys, or the comments, either or. But this is great, and this is a keeper. And I even love that bread I used. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with my silliness. And thank you for coming with me on this journey to explore food. I just want to explore food. Just don't go near your brother there. Oh man, this is so good. See you in the next one. Okay guys, that pizza was a total success. Vinny loves it. It was delicious. I took a bite. It was so crunchy. And look how much I had left. For $2 loaf, I have 3 more. See what I said? I cut it to portion it. So that's in the freezer bag. These will become breadcrumbs. I'm going to let them dry thoroughly. Grind them up. Add my spices. That's that. Here's the pepperoni into 4 pieces. Why did I not make it small? Because I don't know that I'm going to use it only for pizza. I may want to slice some, defrost it for a cheese and pepperoni snack one night with TV. Me and Ben often do that. We like pepperoni and provolone and some crackers. So that's that reason, okay? Now, here's the sauce. I got a whole jar. I only used like a quarter. I'm going to portion it out to 2, maybe even 3. Who knows? I'm probably going to portion it out to 3. I got to get another one of my small bins. But this is a great concept. This is a great idea. It was delicious because of the ingredients we used, I believe. And if you have the kiddos, all the better, man. This is great. Kids would love this. All right. Bon appetit. Eat well. See you in the next video. Hope I have more tips.